Hello, P1 students! Welcome again to our science class with Ms. Ida, and we are now on chapter 6 and it's all about sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. For lesson 1, sources of sound. Our learning aim is to identify the different sources of sound around us. For our chapter 2 questions, what sounds do these musical instruments make? Which musical instrument would you like to try playing? Do you think, children? Take your time to answer and don't forget to send your answer in the Google Classroom. For our thinking gap, there are so many sounds around me. I wonder how many sounds I hear in a day. Where is that sound coming from? A sound is anything we can hear. An object that makes a sound is a source of sound. Here are some examples. We can find objects that make sounds in our home, like a television. Some objects produce musical sounds. Humans make sounds, like children. Look at the picture. The baby is wailing. And other animals make sounds too. Can you imitate the sound of the roar of the wind? Some sounds are quiet, but some sounds are loud, like the fireworks. For lesson 2, it's all about traveling sound. Our learning aim is to explain that as sound travels from the source, it becomes quieter. For a thinking gap, I wonder why sounds closer to me seem louder. What do you think, children? Does sound change as it travels? Recall what you have learned in chapter 1 about our sense of hearing. We use our sense of hearing to hear sounds. This is how we hear sounds, children. First, the source of sound makes a sound. Second, the sound travels in the air from the source of the sound. And third, the sound reaches our ears. And fourth, we hear the sound, right? And this process happens very quickly. A sound becomes quieter as it travels away from the source. While loud sounds can harm our ears, they can also disturb people and other animals that live near us. We should not make loud sounds, children. Take note of that. And for our TED Talk, some people are not able to hear sounds. A cochlear implant is a device that can help such people hear. A part of the device is placed inside the ear by a doctor. It helps the ear receive sounds better. This allows the person to hear sounds. And that ends our weekly lesson for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new today. And be excited to do our activities about sounds in the school. Take care, everyone. Bye.